Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. So today we are going to play Metal Horoscape Chapter 4. So in the last video we beat Chapter 3. So today we are going to beat Chapter 4. So I'm in my house and it's like 10 p.m. So I don't want to make too much noise. So I'm gonna talk quietly and talk less as much as I can. So the fourth chapter is called Adele. Adele. I don't know how to pronounce it, but let's get into it.
So sick of all this moving around. Stay at home, my friends can say. You solve the problem yourself without involving me. I'm old enough to decide what to do.
Okay. Wait, isn't this the place that we escaped through in the first story? So, just as I said, I'm gonna talk less and I'm gonna talk quiet because I'm in my house and it's like nighttime, so I don't wanna make too much noise here. Whoa, there's another person there. Wait, there's two persons? Oh, I think we need to rescue her or something.
Shh, don't worry. I need to help you. Where is he now? Upstairs. I'm trying to get you out of here.
Do we really need to? Can we just run away? Okay, so okay, I guess we need to help her. So, let's see. Locked? Okay. Ads in this game. I don't like ads. Why is my game lagging? Look at my FPS. It's like, okay, it's now good, but it was bad earlier. Uh, Nothing there. Okay. Oh no. Oh, we need to hide. Wait, what? That where am I able to hide? Behind the door? Oh, I bet. Guys, we need to hide behind the door. Whoa!
What was that noise?
Bro, bro, this guy's stupid. Can he? Okay, he's good. Should we follow him? Oh, we need to go. Oh, get there. Oh, yeah, we made it. We made it.
Goddamn imagination.
Bro, get out of here. So I'm gonna make this video. Wait, I see something there. It's like a key. Okay, so I was going to say I'm gonna make this video as short as I can because uh, I I told you it's nighttime. I don't want to make too much noise in my house. So I'm gonna talk quietly and as much less. Okay, so we saw something there. We got a key. This for this door? Okay, it's for that door. Okay, I guess that easily. Whoa! What is this? Wait, it's that kind of safe. I don't know if you know what type of safe is this. So this is, I think we need to put like Morse code or something, right? This is Morse code, right? Or like dot dash dot dash, something like that, right? It's something like that, right? Okay. Due to a glitch, oh, okay. Due to a glitch, I cannot find the Morse code. So it's like I think it's a glitch in the game. So I found the Morse code. It's dot dot. Wait, no, wait. Sorry. It's dash dash dot dash dot dash dot. Yeah. Respirator filter. Wait, I cannot take them. Why can't I take them? Bro, come on. I can't take them. Maybe we need something else. Okay. Let's just forget about that. Let's see what's here. We got the plunger. Uh-huh. Okay. But this place is creepy. What? Why can't take that? Okay, that's crazy. Okay, I got a plunger, and we all know where to use plungers, right? It's basically here. Yeah, it is here. I mean, obviously it is here. We got the wall. Okay. So why do we need the flat mirror shard? Why do we need that? Oh, um, isn't that obvious? He installed it. Of course, he's the only one who knows the password. Oh, now I gotta find a respirator and stuff, bro. That's okay. So I got the wall. Okay, so I need a key for this door. Wait, what? It just opened. So I don't need a key. Um, I mean that makes it easy for me. Missing wall. Wait, let's go. Oh no. Oh, we can take the wall back. Oh, hide, bro. Hide, bro. Whoa, he opened something. Okay, we need to look what's inside. Oh my god, my antivirus just sent a notification and it lagged my game. Bro, antivirus, why? Okay, so yeah, let's get it. So why do we, where do we use this key? Where do we use this key? I have no idea. Wait, oh, it's here. Of course it's here. Oh, okay, I need a password for that. Look at this. Red, blue, and black. Okay, that doesn't make any sense. Guys, I just opened this door and now I am realizing. Guys, look at this. Okay, you see this symbol? I mean, at the first glance, it looks like nothing, right? It looks like a random symbol. But if you look at a specific perspective, with this door open, you can see it's the number 9. It's the number 9. So it's black color, right? This English black. That means black is 9. So I need to find blue. I think I've seen blue. See? Here's blue. This is blue. So see, if you look at it in a specific perspective, it's 5. Look at this. It's 5. You can see it. Like I need to adjust this correctly. It's 5. Okay, blue is 5, black is 9. So I need to find red. Where is red? Oh, there. Let's go. Um, where do we look this at? Oh, wait. Look at this. Uh, okay. What number is that? I can tell. It moves slowly. It's 4. It's 4. So okay, we got it, guys. I am a genius. I am a genius. So red, blue, black. Red is 4. Blue is 5. Black is 9. Let's get it. Let's go. Let's go. 459. Liver arm. We got liver arm, guys. Let's go. Let's get it. Okay, we got the liver arm. That's good, I guess. So what do we need? Why do we need the mirror shard for? I have no idea. Empty kettle. Okay, so we need water or something. Wait, what? Wait, why? Why can we do that? Pillow. Wait, can we tear the pillow? Oh my, bro. Are you, bro, are you serious right now? We got a key. I'm pretty sure this key is for here. Yep, it is. So I'm gonna close it. So we need water. Close all these doors, bro. Why am I leaving every single door open? Bro, there are bear traps here. The thing that I hate most about this game is the bear traps. There are bear traps every single place, and I don't want to step on that. Wait, can we get water from here? Water, yeah. Uh, kettle, kettle with water. Let's go. Okay, talking way too loud now. Uh, it's nighttime. I don't want to make too much noise in my house. IRL. So I think I'm supposed to boil the water or something. But why do we need the boiled water again? Okay, I'm pretty sure it's gonna make a whistle. That's how these kettles work. Yeah. Oh no. Oh. Nothing. I was just boiling some water for you because it's cold and stuff. You know what I'm saying? Oh no, get in. I hope everything's correct. Yeah, bro. It's all your minds. It's all tricks by your minds. Hallucinations. Maybe yours. What do you call it? What do you call that disorder? It's six. Wait. Is schizophrenic? Schizophrenic? I don't know, guys. Yeah, I am stupid. So why do we need the kettle with hot water? If you ask me, I don't know. Something in the fridge? Nothing. Nothing. Wait, what? I was just clicking the eyes to see if there was something there, and the hot kettle, the hot sorry, the kettle with hot water was in my hand, and when I clicked the ice with that, it melted the ice. Of course, it melted the ice because it's hot water. But I didn't expect that to work. Candle? Why do we need a candle? Are we going to celebrate someone's birthday today? Wait, wait. Can I like use the candle here and the on the heater? No, I can't. Why, bro? Wait, I saw fire there in this room. Maybe that can light the candle. Let's see. Burning candle. Let's go. Yes. Let's go. Turn that off. hmm Okay, so broken liver, we need that. And as in the second chapter, we need to put exactly 24 volts here. Mm-hmm. What's this? Spider web. So we need scissors or something? Can we wait, can we can we melt the spider web? No. Can we burn? What? What? Mop. Wait, what? We can put the mop back. So whatever we need the mop for, after we use it, we need to put it back here, or else you know what's gonna happen. He's gonna notice it and he's gonna 360-degree no scope on me. So I don't want that to happen. What's that? Out of reach. Can I use the mop? Oh, I can't. Wait, I need to put the mop back. Close the door. Oh no. You know what? I don't think it's worth it. Maybe he won't check there. It's because now he's like I only have 10 seconds. All the other chapters we had 25 seconds. to make everything correct. Now we only have 10. Yeah, I'm dead. I'm dead. Now, yeah, guys, he, he, I mean, he didn't attack me because he don't know that I'm here. So he thought it was her, and he turned on the poison thingy, and the poison starts spreading in the room, and she fainted. But I think she's okay. She didn't die. That's good. Yeah. Lock pick. Wait. So I'm guessing there's like a locker there, and it said it was locked. So I think the lock pick is for that. I hope it is. Um, guys. So something happened when I was recording, and my recording crashed and stuff. So I played this chapter again. So I did everything that I did in the last time I was recording, so I'm not back to square one right now. So we opened the locker last time, so I played this chapter until I reached this phase. Okay. So it's like nothing happened. We did everything that we already did in the last time I was recording. Okay, we get a pipe. Where do we use the pipe? I don't know. I don't know where to use it. Where? Where? Broken liver. We need a liver for that, not a pipe. We need a pipe. I mean, we need a liver, sorry. Bro, where do we use this pipe? I have no idea. Can we use it here? Okay, I'm out of here. Why can't we use a pipe there? Don't we need a liver? Bro, that's crazy. That's crazy. You know what I'm saying. Oh my god. Uh, so I said my recording crashed. So I didn't get the same thing in the last time when I opened the locker in his room. I got a different thing. This liver arm. So last time what did we get? Last time we got like last time what did we get last time? Guys, what did we get last time when we opened the locker? So now I think we got the liver arm last time too. So basically, I think when we lift the liver, we need to, you know, what do you say? How do you say it? Uh, we need to make the liver go down. Yeah, we need to make the lift this elevator go down after we pull it. So we need 24 volts. I think we need to put this all these buttons in the correct position uh, after we change it, or else he will notice it. Yeah. So I think it's going to be 24 volts. It's like, yeah. Oh, it is. Wait, I need to put it back to correct form. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Nothing. 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 Everything's good. Life is good. Life is good. Life is good. Oh wait. Close the door. Oh no, I messed up something. I just knew it. I think I turned. I think I left the lights on somewhere. Oh, nothing. Oh no, I left. Did I left the light open? On? Please don't. How am I supposed to clean it? So like last time, he turned on the poison thing and she fainted, blah blah. So we got the mat respirator without filters. So we know where the filters are. It's here. We already opened that. Now, what? Now I have to give it to her. Here you go, I guess. Oh, okay. What? What do you mean, nice plan? I mean, you know what? I'm not surprised. I mean, it's it's like that in every single chapter. We need to lock him stuff. So I need to make him come here. What is this? Change hours? What? What's that going to do? Bro, what? Bro, what? What? That made sound? Oh wait, when he comes here, I need to lock him up. Okay, got it. Oh, what is he going to do? Excuse me, mister, what are you going to do? Okay, he turned the control panel on. Wait, let's go! And turn on the poison thingy. Yeah, have a taste of your own medicine, idiot. Yeah, faint. Okay. Turn. But we need to get the key card from him. Oh no, I'm dead. Yeah. Okay. I hated that this game has no checkpoints. I had to play all of that again. Now, all I have to do is this. Bro, I messed up last time. He caught me, bro. I was trying to take the key card, but okay. We can do this. We can do this. We can do this. Guys, if I cannot escape him right now, I will end the video here and I will post me escaping him the last scene in like a short or something. Let's go, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's. Oh my god. This game is so frustrating. This game is so intense. I had to play this game 3 times. First time my recording crashed. Second time he got me. Third time this. And I won. Oh my god. So the metal franchise is over. It is over. I beat all the chapters 1 to 4. Let's go. So I told you the metal franchise is over. So what horror game or what game should I play next? Please give me comments. So I'll uh, play any game if you ask me to, because you are my subscribers. But the game that you tell me that you will. Oh my god, I'm so bad at English. The game that you tell me to play should be an Android game, and it should be like not very laggy. So my device isn't very powerful, you know. So under specific circumstances, I will play the games that you tell me to. So that's it. That's it for today's video. If you liked it, don't forget to subscribe my channel. We have hit 36 subscribers. So I want to hit at least like a 50 subscribers this month. So yeah, shout out to everyone. Thank you guys for watching this video. So it's Lone Shadows signing out.